You know what time it is. It's f***ing Friday. This week I have the Chipotle of Indian food. Twisted Indian. Got a chicken bowl, naan, burrito on the side, some Yogi fries, and this mango lassi. Ooh. Yogi fries. Spicy sauce, whatever it's called. Oh yeah. So much flavor. Still crunchy, full of sauce. Chicken bowl with that tiki marsala, whatever sauce, chickpeas, white rice, and a little bit of whatever this purple stuff is. I got a tortilla on the side. Don't try this at home. Remember, I am a professional burrito roller. Oh. It was this garlic naan. Ooh.